Alright, so today we are replacing the water guard on the bottom of our glass shower door. It's getting pretty worn and dirty, and I'm gonna take this piece off here. And here it just slides off like so. And we'll slide the other one on after we get it cleaned. Alright, so as you see here, the replacement is slightly longer than the door. So I've made a mark down here. I'm going to cut that piece off, and then the factory edge will be on the end here, and the cut edge will be up against that hinge and less noticeable. So let's get that done. Okay, so that was a two-handed job there that I had to get this piece back on. It kind of is a tension fit, so it took both hands, but does what it should do. Just like that. Nice and new. Thanks.